picture perfect on the surface. All these illusions that we worship. I see the walls coming down. I hope someday we'll build them up on solid ground. Consequences go unnoticed, like the weight that's on our shoulders, pulling us down, but we don't know it. Or maybe we do, but just like the truth, we never show it. We don't need more money, 'cause money ain't the problem, baby. What are we becoming? 'Cause we lost more time than we'll ever get back, and we need something to keep us on track. Where are we going? Where are we going? Running circles around walls that we've built, chasing never-ending feelings of guilt. Where are we going? Where are we going? Everything makes sense on paper. Surface levels always safer. Don't let them in case they find somewhere within, under the skin's where you hide. We need more than cunning, words that don't solve nothing. What are we becoming? 'Cause we lost more time than we'll ever get back, and we need something to keep us on track. Where are we going? Where are we going? Running circles around walls that we've built, chasing never-ending feelings of guilt. Where are we going? So where are we going? Where are we going? So where are we going? Maybe we've had the map all along, but we just didn't know it. Maybe we've been so wrapped up in the world that we missed the point, and now it's showing. How can we turn it around to hear the sound of inner peace? Maybe it's simpler than we think it should be. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Get out of your head, young one. Don't let the fear consume you. Wander as far as you wanna go, and use that light to follow through. We are the ones to pretend, but we are the ones to never give in. No matter what the world throws at us, you always have me, and I have you. Don't speak a word of regret, your defeat won't go unnoticed. Fear is the only real danger, so don't let it break your focus. Takes so much to get out of bed. It's hard to forgive, but don't you forget, no matter what the world throws at us, you always have me, and I have you. I have you. misinformation. Fight the flames of intimidation. Don't be fooled by misinformation. Fight the flames of intimidation. Don't be fooled by misinformation. Fight the flames of intimidation. Don't be fooled by misinformation. Fight the flames of intimidation. Don't be fooled by misinformation. Fight the flames of intimidation. Don't be fooled by misinformation. Fight the flames of intimidation. We are the ones to pretend, but we are the ones to never give in. No matter what the world throws at us, you always have me, and I have you.